How cool is this view? I'm actually with Hannah. Hello. And Jazz. Hi. And treat myself to a bag.
Eastwards and over the northern, it's still quite cold. Temperatures around.
I'm 7 away. Still 7 away. Why is it now going so slow? 5 away. Oh my god, Mum, I'm nearly there. This could be a long clip. Oh no, it's 2 away. Oh my god. 9. Wait, no, wait. 9999998. My mum's just rapidly looking for party poppers. 999998. Dad, whatever you do, please do not pop champagne over me because it will get on my laptop. I think it's just stopped now. It's just glitched. 1 million subscribers! Yay! Mum, what is this? What have you just thrown at me? 1 million subscribers! The next door neighbours are gonna think we've gone insane. I've just been reading through everyone's comments on my Instagram post and like seeing my friends post about and seeing my friends post stories and everything, and I just feel really emotional because like I don't know, when I started yeah, anyway, I was basically, it was mostly what my best friend Ellie posted on her story that set me off, because she posted a bunch of old pictures of us and like it just made me think that so much has changed since I started my channel. Like I was an 18-year-old super like not necessarily shy but just like awkward and anxious 18-year-old, and I started my channel and did not ever think that it would get to this point, and I just feel like well YouTube has changed my whole life. It's just made me so much more of a confident person, and like I've grown so much as a person since starting my channel, and just in like me, my confidence and my happiness I guess, and just general life stuff. And obviously like I've had so many amazing opportunities through YouTube, and that literally none of that would have happened. I wouldn't be able to live such a cool like fun life if it wasn't for YouTube. So starting my channel was literally the best thing that I ever did, and obviously like if you guys weren't subscribed then I would not be in this position right now. So yeah, I'm very grateful for all of you that have like subscribed and supported me, and I just need to say a massive thank you really, because without all of you guys I would not be in the position that I am now, and I'm so lucky and so grateful, and yeah, feeling really proud of myself and emotional. And I'm probably just gonna sit here and read through some more people's comments and cry, but I'm really happy. These are happy tears. Oh, my hair is so windswept now. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm in London. I did actually just do my mascara and eyeliner on the train. Had a bit of stress trying to find Jazz because her phone died. I ended up going to the wrong tube station. I went to Monument and I was supposed to go to Bank. Guys, I don't think we're in the right place. I'm with these two. Hello. We're kind of matching.
Very similar coat.
But we're all a bit worried they're a bit underdressed, because I just saw Saffron's Instagram story and she's wearing a dress, and we're all wearing like just jumpers. But I think we're okay.
You do look quite fancy
all together.
You match necklace and you've got little boots. You do actually look more
got my thigh-high boots on. We just walked into the wrong place, so let me just find the hotel. But anyway, I didn't explain why we're actually here. I'm in London today because it's my management's Christmas party. We've got a Christmas dinner at a hotel, and we're just trying to find where it is. This place is so nice on the inside. We don't know where we're going yet. We've made our way into the hotel and there's a massive Christmas tree, but where everyone else is, I have no idea. Outfit of the days. So hello! We've come to the Ned for our Christmas lunch. Pretty much, well, a lot of people from our management is here. Not every single person, but there is a lot of us. This is the table. So me and Jazz are sitting next to each other, but this is the rest of the room. It looks amazing, and we're about to sit down for our Christmas dinner. This is our menu. We're having traditional Christmas dinner. I've gone for the turkey, obviously, and then for dessert we've got sticky toffee pudding, which I'm very excited for, because we all know that I love a sweet dessert. And then, oh okay, this is just the wine list. How fancy is this? I feel like I'm very out of place wearing my jumper and my jeans, but it's fine, it's fine. I'm always the only one that ever wears the hat. I put my hat on and I look around and no one else is wearing it. We had them at the dinner on Friday, and like a good 5 minutes, and then so this is wear it to the end. So this is our starter. I think this is some kind of cheese which is mozzarella, but it's got like cream in the middle. I can't remember what it's called. And then I don't know what the rest of it is, but we all know that I'm quite fussy. I'll give it a go. If I don't like it, I'm just gonna have the bread.
I'm very camera shy, so
sorry.
Byron, I'm watching. I really don't like being in vlogs and things like that.
Maybe I should put the sound.
Perfect timing. Yesterday, Soph hit 1 million on YouTube. Whilst you're here, I just wanted to.
I should have got my camera out.
Don't worry, I've got it, Soph, I've got it.
Soph hit 1 million on YouTube. And to celebrate that fact, one thing we've got better at this year is by telling YouTube, give us the plaques ahead of it happening so that we can present them. And it's my absolute pleasure to give you today your gold button. So, just leaves me to say, Happy Christmas, everybody.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
So pretty.
It's huge.
I know.
And it's heavy. Oh my god. So I definitely was not expecting that. Jonathan did a little speech. If you didn't know, you probably don't know if you know, are not part of our management. But Jonathan is like one of the main man. And I've just been presented with my 1 million subscriber plaque, which I was not expecting, but that is so cool. It's huge, it's really heavy, and I'm so excited that I have that, because normally you have to apply for them and like wait for them for a while, but now I have it with me. I'm so happy that we've got a pig in a blanket, because pigs in blankets are my favourite part of a roast dinner, and I thought we weren't going to get them. We've got turkey, we've got potatoes, I'm not sure what this orange stuff is, some parsnips, a couple of tiny Brussels sprouts, and it looks amazing. This is our dessert: sticky toffee pudding, ice cream, toffee sauce. Jazz is pouring cream onto hers. That looks like water.
It does look like water.
So Jazz thought that the cream
is milk.
She thought it was cream.
So I just covered my sticky toffee pudding in milk.
I did think that this was some chocolates. We've just opened them up, and it's a card holder from our management, and also, well, I guess from Aston of London as well. So thank you so much. This is really cute. I'm definitely going to be using that. I need a new card holder, so that is perfect timing. This is the view off of the terrace at the Ned in London. How cool is this view? Oh no, wait. So we've just left the event. I'm actually with Hannah. Hello. And Jazz. Hi. They've come with me, and I'm actually about to go to the Louis Vuitton store and treat myself to a bag, if they have the one that I want, to say congrats to myself for 1 million subscribers. So that's where we're going now, and there's a load of business people walking towards me, and I feel really uncomfortable, so I'm gonna put this down. So I've left the store empty-handed because they didn't have the bag in stock that I wanted to get, so I think I'm gonna order it online instead. But me and Jazz are just heading back to the tube station, and then I'm heading home. So it's actually now the next day. Yeah, so just to explain about the bag that I was gonna get. So I have had my eye on a bag from Louis Vuitton for like ages. And obviously they're super expensive, and I have got one designer bag. I don't really buy designer stuff very often, but I really wanted to treat myself for when I got to 1 million subscribers, because like, I don't know, I just thought, like, I don't really treat myself often, and if there's a time where I can treat myself, I thought it would be now. But yeah, so they didn't have the bag that I wanted in store. It's just the little Alma BB bag. If you guys have heard of that or seen it. Quite a few people do have it, but it's just like a really cute little bag and I really like it. So yeah, anyway, I was gonna go home and order it online and like probably like end this vlog of my excitement when it arrived and like show you the bag and stuff, but I went online and it's actually out of stock everywhere, so I'm gonna hold off on that for a bit. I don't just want to get any random bag just for the sake of it, but yeah, I'm sure at some point I don't know, would you guys even be interested in me doing a vlog like unboxing a bag? I feel a bit weird about it because in a way I'm like, well, I don't want to be like rubbing it in people's face like, look at my new bag, but I don't know, it's kind of exciting. But yeah, I'm now home. I've just filmed my 1,000,000 subscriber video for my main channel. I've got my play button behind me here, which is so cool. Look at this thing. It is a beauty and I cannot wait to, when I eventually move out, have this hanging on a wall somewhere. Hi, so it's about a week later since you last saw that clip. I have literally not done anything this morning. I've woken up, put a hoodie on, not even washed my face. I'm just too excited that I don't have time for that. So it's about a week later, a couple of days after I filmed the clip before this, the bag actually came back in stock online, and I decided that I was just going to treat myself to it because I very rarely treat myself to stuff, and I did always say that when I got to 1,000,000 subscribers I wanted to treat myself to a bag. And I kind of thought, well, if I get to 1,000,000 and then I'm like, oh no, I don't want to do it, then I'm never gonna do it. And I know that it's a material thing, but I just decided to do it. So I ordered it on Friday. Today it is Wednesday and it has just arrived this morning, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. I haven't even looked at it yet, so you guys can share the excitement with me. This is probably gonna be the worst unboxing video that you've ever seen on YouTube, but it came in a cardboard box and then it looks like this. So I think this is the Christmas, I could be wrong, but I think this comes on it for Christmas. It's got this multicolored Louis label. I'm just going to refer to it as Louis from now on. I think the correct way to pronounce it is Louis Vuitton. But the box comes like this. You get this card. So it comes with another little card inside it, and there's a little envelope, and then there's a piece of card where you can write somebody's name on it. So I guess that's their way of doing a gift tag for Christmas. And then it also comes with these two things. This one is a Christmas card, I think. So it's just got the logo and then the multicolors, and then on the back it's just blank, and it does come in an envelope. So I think this again might be a Christmas exclusive, but I could be wrong. I've never ordered anything from here before. I don't know what I'm talking about. Right, so moment of truth. I love how even in this video you can see all of like the crap on my bed in the background. If that's not the most me bag unboxing, I'm not sure what is. Okay, so it comes with a little dust bag. Now the rest of the box is empty. Oh my god! It is so cute. I know that this might not be to everybody's tastes, but I went for the Alma BB bag in the classic, well actually no, this isn't the classic Louis print with the logos on it, because that one only came with pink straps and base, whereas I wanted the one that had the brown detailing. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but it's got the strap on the inside, and then the inside is just red like this. You do have a little pocket in here where you can put, I'll probably put like a train ticket in there or something, or I don't know, coins for the car park. And then I'm not sure what this is. There's a tiny little bag that has got, oh, it comes with one of the padlocks. Wait, how does this work? But there's no key. Wait a sec. The keys are in here. But do I put the little padlock on here? I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. But it comes with a little LV padlock, which is very cute. And maybe you're supposed to attach this to the bag. Maybe it's so that you can attach the bag together so that nobody can steal stuff. I don't really know, but I might put this on it. I don't know, I'm probably gonna go Google it after this. But the keys live in this little thing, which I have no idea. So you just attach the strap to these little hooks that are on here. So it does have a long crossbody strap.
strap, and then it also has the top handles, and as you can see it's a very small cute little bag. I didn't want a massive bag, but it actually looks like you can fit quite a lot in here. Let's do a test. Right, so my glasses can fit in there, my phone can fit in there, there's still quite a lot of room left. My retainer, I'm just picking up things that I've got on the side. It can hold a fair amount of stuff. I am not the type of person that is going to baby this bag and use it like once in a blue moon. I'm gonna use it and get my money's worth out of it, because otherwise I don't really see the point. So yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited that I have this. That was probably the worst unboxing video that you've ever seen. I already love it. I'm so glad that I made that decision, because this is the type of thing that I'm gonna keep forever, and then whenever I wear this bag I'm gonna think back to the time that I once had 1 million subscribers on YouTube. This is what it looks like. You've probably all seen it before because it's quite a popular one, but yeah. And if you guys see any of my Instagram pictures or anything with this, we will both know from watching this vlog channel exclusive, that this is my 1 million bag. A lot of people might just see it and think, oh, it's just another Louis bag, but no, this is, I'm gonna treasure this for the rest of my life. So I am gonna end this vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys again so much for everything. Like literally I owe you everything. So thank you again. I know that I literally can't say that enough. And my camera just cut me off, but I hope you guys are all good. I hope you have a lovely Christmas, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.